Good day, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. My philosophy of life management education. I prefer or choose essentialism, demonstrating my personal education management philosophy. Let's begin. Essentialism focuses on the core nature of a concept. In Levinasian ethics, this core is not a fixed definition, but rather the fundamental duty one has toward others. This perspective prioritizes a selfless or altruistic commitment to the other, placing moral responsibility above the expectation of mutual gain. In my priestly life or as a man of God, I live out essentialism guided by Levinasian ethics, which helps me focus on what truly matters while remaining deeply responsible to others. Among the seven philosophies discussed, essentialism stands out in shaping my personal, family, community, and professional life because it teaches me to eliminate distractions and prioritize meaning, purpose, and human dignity. In my personal life, I practice simplicity and reflection, choosing discipline and moral clarity over exists, while recognizing, as taught by Emmanuel Levinas, that my freedom begins with responsibility to the others. Within my family, essentialism reminds me that presence is more important than positions. Levinasian ethics deepens this by framing love, care, and attentiveness not as optional acts but as a moral obligations. In the community of koinonia, this philosophy directs me to serve where I am most needed. Contemporary definition of vocation. I respond where God calls me to be, responding ethically to the face of the other, and rejecting indifference in favor of compassion, compatity to suffer with, and respect. In my professional management life, essentialism guides my leadership to prioritize purpose over profit, people over mere efficiency or commodity, while Levinasian ethics challenges me to see every decision as an ethical response to others. Ultimately, essentialism shaped by Levinas teaches me that living well is not about having more, but about focusing on what is essential: responsibility, care, meaningful relationships.